You don't need 90 days to fix your life, not even 21 days. You need one day, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and stop running from the thing you've been avoiding. Because the truth is, you already know what's holding you back, the decision you have been delaying, the life you've been promising yourself you'll start one day. The problem isn't awareness. The problem is action. So for the next 24 hours, I'm going to walk you through a series of steps that most people will never have the courage to take. Let's fix your life today. Step 1. The self-confrontation. For the next 24 hours, turn off your phone. No scrolling, no distractions, just you and your mind. Why? Because most people aren't afraid of failure. They're afraid of being alone with their own thoughts. The moment the noise disappears, the thoughts you've been avoiding start showing up. The problems you've been pretending don't exist. And yes, it's uncomfortable. Good, because you can't solve a problem you're constantly running from. Most people stay stuck because they spend years distracting themselves from the very things they need to confront. You sit with it, you face it, because if you can't spend one day alone with your own thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom, you're avoiding truth. Step 2, the identity mirror. Grab a notebook, write at the top of the page. What do my actions say about me? Not who you want to be, who you actually are. You are not allowed to describe yourself with words, only actions. Because actions reveal identity. If you constantly delay important work, you're becoming a procrastinator. Now ask yourself this. If a stranger watched your life for the last 30 days, what would they say you care about most? Not what you say matters. What you repeatedly do matters. Your habits tell the truth. Then ask yourself one final question. Who am I pretending to be? Because you cannot improve a person you're pretending to be. You can only improve the person you actually are. Step 3, the anti-vision. Most people spend their lives imagining success. I want you to do the opposite. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself 5 years from now if absolutely nothing changes. Same habits, same excuses, same regrets. Look at your body, look at your life. This is where your current choices lead. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. Now grab a piece of paper. Write down 3 things. The habits that are destroying your potential, the things that drain your energy, the excuses that keep you stuck. Be brutally honest, because you cannot defeat an enemy you refuse to identify. When you're done, tear that paper apart, because those habits have already taken enough from you. Today, you stop pretending they aren't the problem. Step 4, the momentum hour. Set a 60-minute timer. For the next hour, do the one thing you've been avoiding, the workout, the difficult conversation. The first step toward the goal you've been putting off. You already know what it is, so stop thinking about it. Just start. Clarity comes from action. Before this hour ends, you must create evidence. A workout completed, a task finished. Anything that proves you're no longer the same person who started this day. Stop waiting to feel ready, because action destroys doubt faster than thinking ever will. Step 5, the non-negotiables. Tonight before you sleep, grab a fresh piece of paper. Write this at the top of the page. From this day forward, then create a contract with yourself. Not 10 habits, not 20 goals, just 3 non-negotiable standards. 3 rules you will follow no matter how you feel. Then sign it, because transformation doesn't happen when you feel different. It happens when you decide differently. Motivation comes and goes. Standards remain. And every time you keep one of those standards, you cast a vote for the person you're becoming. From this moment on, your standards become your identity. Now I want you to do one thing. Comment, doing it today. A public commitment is harder to break than a private promise. And if you're serious about changing your life, don't just watch, do the steps. Subscribe.